hit 80. That's insane. I don't like that sound though.
Sounds good.
You think it's run on? I mean, if we rev it up a little bit and the noise gets a little bit louder.
It sounds like
This is a VR4.
Fuck, dude. Damn. Oh, damn. Anyway?
You're in my YouTube video.
Oh, my name is Andrew Robert Perez Jr. I'm a Vietnam veteran from Long Beach.
From Long Beach.
I had a race car, 3 Camaros. The first one was a 78 Z28.
Okay.
I took it to Lions drag strip. It turned 1228 the first time. I changed the intake to a little high rise and a 780 to an 850 double pump to Holly and put headers on it.
That's badass.
I got it into 11.
That's
this
sick,
will probably
man.
do 11.
Not right now. Maybe if I did some more mods to it, but it's getting there.
It looks good the way it is.
Appreciate it, man. It looks good, but it doesn't.
The more steps you do, the more gas you need.
Exactly, that's true too.
Bro.
All right, man.
God bless
Take
you.
care, dude. Likewise. Something about this VR4 that always has people just talking to me at gas stations, stoplights. Wherever I take it, I always get stopped, which is pretty insane because I didn't really get that with the DSM or Evo as much. So, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be working on the VR4. Here I have a Turbo Smart boost controller that we're gonna be doing, and I also have a spare Walbro 255 just in case we check out the fuel pump. Just doing a bunch of stuff just to check over the car and see if we get it to finally boost and fix this thing. So that's kind of the game plan. I don't really know where the video is going to go, but we're fixing the car slowly but surely, and I feel like every video we get closer and closer. So I had pulled that fuel pump out and I put the Walbro on there. This is a ground to the chassis, and then I had to hardwire it, so I followed a diagram, and then that red wire goes all the way to the battery.
13.8 to the pump.
13.8 to the pump. We're already getting full voltage at 13.8 under idle. Now we don't know what goes on when the car is basically accelerating and stuttering, so we're actually going to experiment and make sure that we're still getting full voltage to the fuel pump when the car is driving. So you can drive, I can sit in the back, and I'll just hold the reader and see what numbers we get. So we'll start off with that. Alright, hold it up. Damn, I'm too old for this. 13.8. 13.6. No, I kept it. Yep, 13.9.
This reminds me of a time where the fuel line was kinked.
The fuel line was
Fuel line
kinked.
was kinked with the fuel pump. We should
Double check the fuel pump.
Double check the fuel pump.
We're basically going to be removing this Walbro and installing the other one just to diagnose to see if it was the fuel pump itself, because this thing is pretty loud. So we went ahead and installed the replacement Walbro 255 to just basically knock out a defective fuel pump right off the bat. All I have to do is attach this line, which if you own a 3000, you know how much of a pain it is, because you could easily kink this line and break the whole assembly, and these things are not cheap. So we went ahead and went out and actually got a stainless steel line, basically compatible for 85, just in case we ever do go 85. You have to make sure that it's this kind of fitting. So I'm currently running into some issues. OEM hardline is actually leaking onto the car, so I think we might have to cut this piece here and run a stainless steel line all the way through, because we've tightened this as much as we could and we are still leaking gas. So it's one issue after the next, but I'm gonna take the fuel pump back out. We're gonna fix this issue and then we'll put everything back, test drive the car. Hopefully that fixes the fuel issue, and then from there we can move on to the boost controller and the vacuum line delete. Okay, so the fuel pump unit is out as one. We're gonna go ahead and drill into the actual assembly. So first you start off by removing the fuel pump. You are gonna have to cut this as flat as possible. Cut this off. I guess it's a very common issue with the 3000 GT, guys. So if you're trying to do this, I guess this is the video for you. So you are gonna have to get this dash 6 to 3/8 barb, which is basically gonna attach the fuel pump. This will then attach to this dash 6 90-degree fitting. As you guys can see here, this will go through the hole that you're gonna drill onto this, and then this itself will attach to a stainless steel line that will then go all the way down to the hard line on the car. I'm boosting! Oh! Oh! What? I already hit 80. That's insane. That is the fastest this car's ever gone. You guys have no idea how happy I am right now. This is crazy. The car is back. God damn! Oh my god, this thing is actually pretty quick. That was it. Dude, this thing was boosting. I hit 80.
I heard you, like, when you pulled out, I was like, and then I heard it revving out, I was like, oh shit. I was like, driving.
It hit full boost. I don't like that sound though.
That sounds good.
You think it's run on?
When's the last time you checked the oil? Or like did a oil change?
Shit, something's smoking too. I did an oil change when I barely got it. I mean, if we rev it up a little bit and the noise gets a little bit louder.
It sounds like air's leaking, like a puck.
The car is actually fixed. The whole issue was a defective Walbro 255. This car no longer makes the super annoying whining sound that a lot of you guys complain about. And honestly, I'm just grateful that the car hit boost. I think that was my first actual official pull with this thing. And man, this thing is actually quite quick. We were supposed to do the vacuum line delete and boost controller install as well, but Aaron does have to leave real quick. So I might just leave the car here, come back tomorrow for the next video, and we'll do the boost controller install, vacuum line delete. Those of you guys that know how tedious some things like these can be, just know the great feeling of just being able to figure something out after a long time. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll go ahead and let you guys go. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more Mitsubishi content. and I'll see you in next week's video.